some of you have already had a chance to see and to talk about some of the pictures that were here. And I even spoke to some of you about with some questions that I'm going to ask here. I'm going to ask them of a few different things. Here's one of the pictures. What can you tell me about this picture up here? What do you see?
That right here,
Yeah.
and here, they use them to make something. Like maybe there's a dad.
Yeah.
And a mom.
Yeah.
And a little boy. And we would add a sister because maybe one day they're going to have something that is eggs or something that's mixed with eggs. And maybe since there's 4 of them and 4 eggs are gone, they would have to get 4 eggs so they can, because maybe they would have to put one little baked one on the side to make it beautiful.
Okay, so then I have a question. You told me 4 eggs were gone, which I can see here. How many eggs are there? Dana?
There's 8 eggs.
How do you know?
Because I counted in 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Okay.
8 eggs.
So you got it that way. Did anyone get it a different way to get 8 eggs? Aiden.
I counted by 2.
Oh, can you come and show me what you mean? Explain to me how you counted by 2s.
I was like this: 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay. Did anybody get it a different way to get 8 eggs?
I counted by 3.
Did you? Come and show me. How did you do that?
1, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But what's she counting by when she's counting that way?
1.
Ones. Now, they're not ones. Have a seat. They're not ones in exactly the same order as how Dana counted them because she started down here and worked her way around, but they're still by ones. I wonder if I could use some of what I already know about numbers to figure this out. How many eggs are there in the top row?
4. You could be like this. You could look, there's 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom, then you could say it is 8.
That's
Because
right.
4 plus 8.
Right. But look here, this one egg
You missed the egg.
is easier when it goes out.
You missed the egg.
Oh, I know.
Here.
Oh, it wasn't intentional. I just didn't circle big enough. But I had 4, and then these 4, and you're right. 4 and 4 make 8. Now hold on a minute. If there's 8 eggs in there, and Mariana told me that there were 4 eggs missing, how many eggs were there altogether?
10.
How did you get 10? I want to hear. How did you get 10?
I counted by 1, and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait 1 minute. There's 2 more.
Oh, so if there's 10 and 2 more, what does that make?
12.
So how many altogether?
12. I got 12, and I was like, wait a minute, that's not right, but I was waiting my turn to collect them.
good to wait our turns because it's good for people to figure out some problems on their own. So that was the egg problem where we kind of figured out about the number there were and the number that we're missing and the number altogether. So, let's look at this. Look at these books. Oh, I thought they were books, but they could be hardcover books maybe. How many books are there on the shelf?
These books.
How many books are there on the shelf? Jean?
7.
How do you know?
Because I counted them.
Can you tell me how?
I count by 1.
Okay, come show me.
I counted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. 7 books on the shelf. I also see a big empty space. There's a bunch of books missing. How many books do you think are missing? Sarah, what do you
I
think?
think 4.
Why do you think 4?
Because I've been counting little spaces.
Can you come show me?
Like,
Okay. Oh. And so how many spaces did you have?
4.
Okay. Did anyone come up with a different answer? Oh.
I got 3.
Did anyone come up with a different answer? Mariana, what did you think?
I think that there's supposed to be.
Do you want to do a different color? Maybe do a different color so we can see your difference. You think 9 books? How did you get 9?
Because there may be like one that is like this one, because it's skinny.
Oh, so show me how did you do it then? So
Because there's little spaces, like if I was Sarah and these weren't there,
yeah.
there's little spaces inside and maybe little books can fit in here.
Okay, so you're thinking this could be like 1 book. And this would be 1? And this would be 1. But you're thinking one little one might fit here.
Yeah.
And maybe a little one here. And then this one and this one. So we have 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, so Sarah thought 4 and Mariana thought 6.
There's 7.
Why do you think 7? But there's 7 on that side. Why do you think then there would be 7 on that side? Okay. Yeah. Okay, but hold on. If there's 7 on this side, what makes you think that there would be 7 on this side too? Why do you think that there would also be 7 in the missing spot? Okay, but how do you know that people aren't just reading 4 that are missing, or 3 that are missing, or 2 that are missing? Why might he think 7? Sarah?
Because there's 7 on that side. Oh, that's maybe that.
Yeah. So if there's 7 on that side, what makes you think that there could be 7 on the other side?
Because it might be.
And if it was half, if it was kind of like symmetrical, it was kind of like half. If it was half, then if there were 7 on this side, then how many would be able to fit on that side?
7.
So the question is it half? It's hard to know. Now, the other problem here is the books. Are all the books here the same size?
No.
So what impact does that have? What difference does that have then on the number needed?
Maybe.
If they're not all the same size, so if some are big and some are little, how does that change then the number needed?
Because, look, you know how about these ones?
Yeah.
The coffee mugs?
Yes?
There's some missing, and you know, because there's 5 over here, but there's no 5 over here, there's only 1. So when you take this and put 4 over there, it makes 5. So that maybe be
Right, but these coffee
5
mugs.
right here.
Okay, oh, so you're thinking the same thing for down here
Yeah.
too.
Look it.
So you're thinking the 5. But my question, and I understand your thinking, Dana, but my question is, how does this like kind of make it difficult, I guess, when they're not all the same size?
Oh, maybe some can be big.
Yeah?
Look at these fit because there's less over here. There's 0 over there, and there's like 7 over here.
Which is right. But Dana, I want you to have a seat for a minute so we can think on this one. Because I understand what you're saying, but my question is why does it make a difference when some are big and some are small?
You can squish them in.
Why does it make the difference? Jordan?
Because if there was more books here,
Yeah.
and they were all like this one,
Yeah.
it will take like probably like this much space of the area,
Yeah.
and it will take 3 of these books to fill it up.
Oh, but if they were all like those tiny little ones, Jordan, then what would happen?
But if there were small like this one, they will like as big.
Yeah.
If there was small like this one,
Yeah.
it will take up less.
Jordan, you have pointed out a really important thing to consider when we're dealing with non-standard measurement and those sizes. You told me how much you understand about area and the space. Remember when we did the area on the carpet? This is like the same, it's like coming back again. Who knew?
Yeah, it's like turning back time.
Turning back time. Okay. Thank you, Jordan. Okay, do you want to put that one down for a second? Okay.